Imagine if you're running a car factory and that assembly line doesn't have all the specialized people in their certain areas, but one person that is doing the welding, the painting, the quality control, the design. Sounds pretty inefficient. And that's exactly what happens when you use one AI assistant to do multitasks. Take content creation, for example. Let's say you sit down, you're trying to write a LinkedIn post. You start brainstorming ideas. Maybe you get an idea and then you start the writing, but the writing is off. And now you have another idea in your head that you need to turn this into also a newsletter post or a marketing email. All these mini tasks that you just thought about, you can throw it to a generic AI agent, and most probably it's not going to deliver on the essence of how you write or how you present yourself to people in your content. But what if you have an AI team of agents that are specialized, working together to accomplish the content workflow that you want, working just like a content team? Here's how it works. I configured 3 private GPTs. Each one of them is a content specialist in their own area. The first one is the brainstorming GPT. And the idea is that it understands my professional background and it researches online for trending topics and gives me about 3 to 5 ideas that I can work with. So instead of staring at a blank screen, what I have right now is ideas that are very relevant and very high quality. Then once I choose the best idea, I send it to the postwriter GPT. And the difference here is it doesn't only write, it writes like me. So it understands my style, my way of writing, and then it applies more of the storytelling techniques so it can make the posts more engaging. And then instead of me rewriting all these posts for multiple platforms, I pass it to the reposting GPT, and this GPT is going to be responsible for making sure it actually rewrites the content to whatever fits the platforms that I want to send that to. So what I have right now is a content workflow that works on multiple platforms without the extra effort. This is the power of breaking work into smaller pieces, and it's well known. But the difference is right now you're doing it for specialized AI agents instead of throwing everything on one AI bot. And now I have a highly efficient system that works for me. Best thing that you can do right now is think about your work. How are you overloading yourself or some AI bot that you're throwing at it a lot of tasks? And how can you break that down into smaller, smarter agents? And I truly believe that's how Gen AI should work, as powerful team members working together. And my final note is stop thinking like an AI user and start thinking like an AI orchestrator.